If you get stuck at the screen during Windows 11 installation, I have a solution for you. Hello everyone, welcome to Visual Global. My name is Vu. Today I put together a video about how to install Windows 11. So let's look at the screen and follow instructions. There are 5 things you need to do to overcome this problem. Let's get to it. Pick your version to install and click next. As you can see, the next button is gray out. So now move your cursor to upper left corner at the arrow. Click 2 times to go back to the main menu. On your keyboard, press and hold Shift and F10 to bring up the command prompt. At the command prompt, type in regedit and look for H key local machine and double click system. Double click setup. Click edit, new and key. The folder is lab config. Hit enter. And again, hit edit, new. This time select DWORD 32. And name is BypassTPMCheck. Hit enter. And double click on it and enter value number 1. Click OK. Then again, go edit, new, and DWORD 32. And this time name bypass RAMCheck. Hit enter and double click on it and enter the value is number 1. Hit OK. Then again, hit edit, new, DWORD 32-bit. And this time type in bypass secure boot check. Enter. And double click on again. Enter 1 for the value. Hit OK. And close the window, and close the command prompt, and back to the main menu. Once you click next, Windows 11 will allow you to install on unsupported machine. From here on, I will speed up the process to finish up the Windows 11 installation. Well, that's all to it. I hope that solved your problem. If you like this video, please hit the likes. Have a great day and see ya.